We're trying something new for breakfast this morning, y'all. I guess we'll call these bacon oat waffles. I don't know. I don't know what to call them. First we cook the bacon. When I get this going, we're gonna soak some quick oats in a little bit of milk. I'm gonna put a cup of milk in this measuring cup and we're gonna warm it for just about 20 seconds. We've got a rainy one out there this morning. We've been into some experimental cooking here lately. We're working on a cookie recipe that we've tried 3 times now and we can't get it. There's still something a little off about it. We're trying to get it just right. We tried it yesterday afternoon and then Titus had to go get some horseshoes, so I rode with him over to Blairsville. While we were there, we went into a Save-A-Lot grocery store. Then we just walked around the square there in Blairsville to look in some of the shops. They always have pretty Christmas stuff in towns with those little shops.
We did a test run the other day, but not like we're going to do it right now. We're fixing to make it up different now.
Yeah, we're going to do it a little different. No, I'm sorry. No.
I mean,
hold up.
Whoa, hold up. I was like, that's not going to work.
Did you hear that crash? Something just broke out there. We're just...
You're not worried.
The footsteps.
I got boys.
What broke? We heard a clatter. We heard a clatter.
The horseshoes on the foot.
Oh, it was horseshoes. 1 egg.
1 egg. There we go.
Goes right in there. Oh, that's beautiful.
'Tis the season to make cookies, everybody.
Yes, it is.
We all know that. It's the time of year that we want to go ahead and just start making cookies. And on a cold day, it just stirs up the cookie inside of
Right.
you. Mama, let's put a little bit of bacon, just a pinch of baking powder in here.
Oh, baking. Okay. Woo, in the country, you gotta be careful. See, I thought he was talking about bacon drippings. Like,
Baking, folks.
we'll start with it. We'll do a teaspoon.
We're gonna do a teaspoon of baking
Yes, baking
powder.
It might be okay if we put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and do the cookie scoop. Because right now when we scoop it, it's just gonna...
Well, they better not. I got a different idea.
Okay.
Why don't I take some aluminum foil and make some little circles?
I got a better idea.
I thought the freezer was a refrigerator for a second.
You did? You got confused there?
Because I was looking at those cookies.
Yeah, I think they still need work, but they're definitely better than last time.
They need work?
Yeah.
That's pretty close, Mama.
It's a little too cakey to me. All right, y'all. We're in Blairsville. Titus had to come over here to get some horseshoes. Over here, beside the place where he gets the horseshoes, there is a Save-A-Lot. And I asked him last time, let's go to Save-A-Lot. Well, that's not really a question. I said, let's go to Save-A-Lot. And he didn't want to, but today we pull in.
We're gonna see if we can save a lot.
And he's like, let's go to Save-A-Lot. So here we go.
I don't know when's the last time I've been in Save-A-Lot.
Well, I don't know if have I ever been in Save-A-Lot?
Fallon's first time in Save-A-Lot, everybody.
We don't want to talk about it, none of us do, but we all need this stuff.
Yeah. Milk and juice. Let's see how much milk is here. It's $3.29, so that's definitely not cheaper than Walmart or Aldi. They got some turkeys. Ground chuck.
This is right here, look at this, baby. Pick 5 for $24.99. Ground chuck.
Yeah,
Same thing.
that's definitely
Okay, here we
safe.
got another pick 5 for $24.99. That's the same thing. You guessed it.
Pick 5
for $24.99.
Yeah.
They got some good deals here. Yeah, we'll definitely come back and get some meat. That's a good deal. Yeah, look here. Pick 5 for $24.99 again.
Oh, it's mix or match, so you can get 3 of these and 3 or 2 hamburger meats. Whatever,
That is a good deal.
Yeah. Little Debbie has Christmas tree cake donuts. Have you ever?
I'm not kidding you. I've never seen them.
They're $2.59.
Never tasted them.
And they have them in the mini muffins, Christmas mini muffins this time. Buttery vanilla.
What
Right
about
bread.
bacon?
Oh, it's cheaper here.
Cheaper.
It's cheaper, but it's
See that?
only they got what
We got,
hickory. They got real. They don't
got-
have applewood.
They have real smoke.
That's cheaper. It's $9.99 at Walmart.
So this
It's $1 cheaper here.
yeah.
in downtown Blairsville. Christmas open house, November 7th through the 9th. Shop small Saturday, November 30th. Pictures with Santa, December 7th. Christmas parade and tree lighting, December 7th. Christmas cookie crawl, December 14th. The cookie crawl sounds fun.
Yeah.
Here's the Hole in the Wall restaurant. They are still open, but they're about to close, I think. Now this place had the
Wanna go in here?
flowers and stuff, right? Hey, this is where we got that really good blackberry.
Yes, that's exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly right. They were out of the blackberry jam, so we're gonna come back.
Look, it's pretty. Look at the little tree snowman. That's cute. This lights up. That's pretty. Got this little snowman guy.
Right there.
Oh,
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hemlock Trading Company.
Got a Christmas tree in the window.
Kettle corn. These are handmade here in Blairsville. Two Country Hens. Candies over here. Oh look, they have a chocolate peppermint bark. Some different jellies here.
Habanero.
Habanero, yeah. Kringle and Company, making sweet treats since 1911. That's cute. Gingerbread Bakery. These are $14.99. And then they have these Swedish dishcloths. That's cute. They have fall ones and Christmas ones. They are $7.99.
This is actually like a jalapeno dip.
Oh yeah.
I bet that'd be good.
There's the kettle corn. Oh, I like the doorstop. Look.
Yeah.
The lady in the last store, I can't remember what it was called, whichever store it was, she told us that this is a good store right here. She said it just looks like a, farm and garden store, but she said that they have some nice stuff in here, so we're gonna go check it out. She also said they might have some of the blackberry jam.
That's the reason we come down here.
Right.
We really want some of that blackberry jam.
So I guess it's just called General Supply. Okay.
I bet we probably need to go in this side right
This side? Okay, yeah, it looks like that side's the feed and
Yeah.
stuff.
here. Any store's got them rocking chairs like that.
Oh yeah, you know it's a good one. Hot apple cider free for you. Now that's nice. That's how you know you're in a good place. Look at these little candy kebabs. Those are cute. And Christmas orange. These are only $3.98. It's Little Blue House. Like that store in the Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
Miss Yoder's fruitcake. This
I actually
one
like
is
those.
$6.98.
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good.
Cute.
Everything in here, except for the socks. There's 3 racks of real soft socks. Those are 20, but everything else, including handbags,
Yeah.
shirts, that room included,
Yeah.
wind chimes, all the rest of it, 40 off.
40
Okay.
off. Okay, well that is a good deal. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm glad you got something, Vic.
That is really
That's
good.
What it is, get the least expensive apple juice you can find.
Yeah.
What it is, it's that crown bone spice. It's so good.
Is that right?
Yep, you can use it for a bunch of things. I think there's some recipe sheets that are right there, but the stuff.
Oh yeah, that.
1 packet to a gallon of apple juice.
So you just
Yeah,
get
we
any
need to
kind of
get some
apple
of that.
juice and
Yeah, because
put this in?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just good stuff.
Thank you, sir. Why don't we do the blackberry butter?
Yeah.
We'll just do the blackberry butter. Thank you.
And what you'll do is you'll watch it. It'll slowly smolder. You barely, if you have it pitch black, you may see a little red glow. But what it'll do is you'll see the smoke come out of the chimney. They all come with their inserts with them too. But
I
they're little
see,
pine
yeah.
cone. Basically, you just break them
Oh,
off the
okay,
edge.
yeah.
But
Okay. I've never seen one. That's interesting.
So then when we got back home, me and Cece tried that recipe again for the cookie. I'll keep the type of cookie that it is a surprise in case we get it to turn out right. But yeah, it still wasn't quite right. It was a lot closer this time, a lot closer, but still not exactly the way I want it. Titus says he likes them, but I'm still working on them. Oh, we're gonna put a cup of quick oats in our milk that we warmed up. Now we just pour in the milk. Stir them up, and we'll let this sit while we finish cooking the bacon. Okay, so we've got the bacon done. The oats have soaked. I'm gonna grab the mini waffle maker and let it be warming up. We want to use the mini one because we really like the thickness that this one makes waffles. I have the bigger one, you know, that I got from Walmart that makes the really thick, big round waffles with 4 different sections, but we like this mini one, especially for recipes like this. It's not a normal waffle. So we'll let that warm up. I'm gonna put 1 egg in here. Get this egg mixed in, and then we're gonna crumble up a little bit of bacon. And I'm trying to decide if I want to make these sweet or like just bacon and the oats and use maple syrup to go over the top, or do we want to add some cheese to them and make them more of a savory type waffle? We're going to go with the just bacon and oats and put maple syrup on top. So I'm just going to crumble up some bacon in here. Just a little bit of cinnamon. Alright, we're ready.
Good. If you like oats.
That tastes like a bowl of oatmeal in waffle form, and it is wonderful.
It really is good.
That's
a different-
amazing.
That's a different way to do oats.
It really tastes like a bowl of oatmeal, but you can chew it like a waffle.
I like it.